Hi guys, I am back and this is the 2019 Summer Coastal Vignette Collab. And this collab is hosted by Creative Glam. So I want to thank Creative Glam for putting this collab together. And here it is. Guys, here is my coastal vignette. So I already had this vase with and all of these flowers are from, of course, the Dollar Tree. You can find the greenery in there and these white and green, lime green flowers right here. This ribbon comes from, I want to say Hobby Lobby, but it may have come from the Dollar Tree. I can't remember. And it's in a pretty vase. And this apothecary jar and these river rocks, of course, come from the Dollar Tree. And I just took the annuals. I'm calling them annuals. I can't think of the name right now. I just took them out of the flower. Out of the pot and put them in here. And of course, you guys know this comes from the Dollar Tree. Just put some sand in there with a candle. And I thought this was too cute, so I had to include it in my coastal vignette. Yeah, now we won't go back. Okay, so let's see. Maybe if okay, so I already had this tray and the little crystals is in there. Some soaps from the Dollar Tree. This is some soap that I won from Mary Kay. I took it out of the pack and just put it here. Of course, a sponge. And I thought that adding this book, I could move this out of the way and just sit right here and look out the window and read. This is called The Grand Tour, and it's at the Dollar Tree. And it looks like it's a pretty good read, so who knows? I may read that. And I also thought that this was really cute. Hello, Summer. And of course, same setup right here. And on that end right there, that is another apothecary jar. And we put the lavender Epsom salt in there from the Dollar Tree and another sponge. So guys, this is my coastal vignette, or what I think is a coastal vignette. It reminds me of a beachy coastal look. So tell me what you think. Leave me a comment below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I want to thank everyone that's doing this collab. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had as much fun as I did doing it. If you are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing. And until the next video, peace. So, Creative Glam's link to her channel will be listed in the description below, and also the playlist with all the other participants will be listed in the description box below. So make sure you guys check out their videos also. Talk to you soon. Here's another way that you can do it. So I changed those two around. We'll put that one over there. Added this beauty in here. Look at that. It is too cute. I was at Walgreens just yesterday and I saw this and it was on clearance. Look at that. For $5. Regular price, $20. I had to grab this one. I grabbed this one So I grabbed 2 of them. And this is so cute. It is a mosaic garden. Look at that. So I added that in there. Really cute. Brought some more greenery into the scene to go with the bathroom. And I just put the bow on top of that one and just put that one over there. So, which one do you like better, guys? The vignette number 1 or this one, vignette number 2? So leave me a comment below and tell me which one you like, 1 or 2. I'm thinking I like this one better. To me, this pop of color did a whole lot to me. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, it's raining. Oh my goodness. It's been raining all day. Yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, peace.